Have you ever heard of snail farming and processing? It may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of farming, but snail farming is a growing industry that provides a sustainable and eco-friendly source of protein. In this video, we're going to take you on a journey through the fascinating world of snail farming and processing, where you'll learn everything you need to know about these curious creatures. So let's get started. Snail farming is the practice of raising snails for human consumption or other purposes. In recent years, it has gained popularity as a sustainable and eco-friendly source of protein. Let's delve into the different types of snails that can be farmed, the requirements for setting up a snail farm, and the challenges involved in snail farming. There are many types of snails that can be farmed for human consumption, such as Helix aspersa, Helix pomatia, and Achatina fulica. Helix aspersa, also known as the garden snail, is the most commonly farmed snail in Europe and North America. Helix pomatia, also called the Roman snail, is another popular species, known for its large size and tender meat. Achatina fulica, or the giant African snail, is one of the largest snails and is often farmed in tropical regions. Snails differ in size, meat yield, and growth rate, and the choice of species depends on the farmer's goals and the local climate. Snails can be raised in different ways, such as in outdoor pens, indoor containers, or free-range systems. The ideal temperature range for snail farming is between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, with a humidity level of 70 to 90%. If you're interested in starting your own snail farm, the first thing you'll need to do is find a suitable location. Snails thrive in warm, humid environments, so you'll want to choose a spot that's not too exposed to direct sunlight. Next, you'll need to decide on the type of enclosure you want to use. Snails can be kept in anything from wooden boxes to plastic containers, as long as they have adequate ventilation and drainage. Once you've set up your snail farm, it's time to start caring for your new pets. Snails are herbivores, so you'll want to make sure they have plenty of fresh, leafy greens to eat. You can also give them small amounts of grains, such as oats or wheat bran, to supplement their diet. Snails lay their eggs in the soil, usually in a warm and humid environment. Depending on the species, snail eggs can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks to hatch. Once the eggs hatch, the snails enter the juvenile stage. Juvenile snails are small and fragile. As the snails grow, they enter the adult stage. Adult snails are larger and more robust than juvenile snails, and they are able to reproduce. The first snail product we're going to talk about is snail caviar. Snail caviar is made from the eggs of edible snails and is considered a gourmet delicacy. Another popular snail product is snail slime, which is used in a variety of beauty and skincare products. The mucus they secrete is then collected and purified. The resulting snail slime is used in a range of beauty products, from facial creams to anti-aging serums. Of course, we can't forget about the most traditional snail product, snail meat. Let's watch the satisfying process. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this information interesting and informative. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel. We have a lot of agriculture, farming and processing videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.